Hi everyone. Today, I'm excited to share this interactive balanced scorecard dashboard designed to help you easily monitor and track your organization's performance. Let's dive in. This dashboard provides a comprehensive view of your KPIs across the four balanced scorecard pillars: financial, customer, internal processes, and learning and growth. With this tool, you'll be able to instantly spot areas that are performing well and identify those that need attention all at a glance. Let's take a look at how the dashboard is structured and how it can help you. On the left, we have the big number showing the overall weighted score. This gives users a high-level view of how the organization is performing overall. On the right, the dashboard is divided into four quadrants, each representing one of the balanced scorecard pillars and color-coded for clarity: financial at yellow, customer at orange, internal processes at green, and learning and growth at pink. Each quadrant clearly shows the pillar name and the number of KPIs being tracked. This helps users quickly understand the scale of performance metrics under each category. Within each quadrant, there's a KPI status table that highlights which KPIs are on track and which are below target. At a glance, you'll know exactly where to focus your effort. Hovering over any KPI will provide more detailed insights, such as the KPI details, metrics, weighted score, and a bar chart displaying the year-to-date actual, target, and variance. The bar chart is also color-coded based on the pillar, making it easy to visually identify the KPI's pillar. This dashboard is designed to simplify performance monitoring as it provides a clear, visual overview of your organization's key metrics. If you like what you're seeing so far, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Now, let me show you how to make this dashboard yours in 3 simple steps. Step 1. Download the template. Start by downloading the Power BI template and the Excel dataset using the link in the description below. It's completely free and easy to access. After downloading, extract the files from the zip folder, and you're done with step 1. Step 2. Replace the dataset. Before getting to the Excel dataset, here's a quick overview of the data structure. The first data table pillar contains basic pillar information like pillar names and IDs, which link KPIs to their categories. The next table, KPI, lists the KPI details, including KPI name, metrics, year-to-date actual, target, weightage, score, the best and worst case. The last table, tracker, tracks the monthly or year-to-date actuals, targets, weightages, and metrics. These tables are interconnected through key fields, enabling the dashboard to seamlessly consolidate and display data across the KPIs and balanced scorecard pillars. Now, let's open the Excel file. In the pillar worksheet, it is already set up with the 4 main pillars. Replace them if your organization uses different pillar names. In the KPI worksheet, input your KPIs along with their details. Finally, update the tracker worksheet with your monthly performance data, and that's it for the Excel file setup. Step 3. Load your data to the BI template. Open the BI file in the Power BI desktop. If you don't have Power BI desktop yet, download it free from the Microsoft website. The link is in the description. For those interested in building the entire dashboard from scratch, I have a time-lapse video that walks through the process. Click the link above to watch. Now, to replace the data file in Power BI, click on the Transform Data button to enter the query view. To adjust the data source settings, click on the Data Source Settings button at the top. Select the file shown, then click on Change Source. Browse and navigate to the folder where you saved your dataset, and the BI file will automatically update with the new data. To exit query view and load your data, go to the top left corner and click Close and Apply. Give it some time to load your new data. And there you have it. With this customized balanced scorecard dashboard, you can effortlessly monitor organizational performance and adjust your focus to drive better results. Going forward, You just need to update the Excel worksheet and click the refresh button at the top to update the dashboard with the latest data. I hope you find this balanced scorecard dashboard template helpful for your work or learning. If you are looking for more dashboard templates, be sure to check out my earlier videos. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.